Hey guys, this is Mr. Leach, and today we're going to do a really cool art project with the use of a pendulum. A pendulum is a weight suspended from a pivot so it can swing freely. When the pendulum is displaced sideways from its resting equilibrium position, it is subject to restoring force due to gravity that will accelerate it back towards the equilibrium position. In simple terms, it's a fixed object hung from a point so it can swing freely back and forth due to the force of gravity. All right, guys, so some of the materials you're gonna need is gonna be a blank canvas, which you can pick up at Michael's or any arts and crafts store. You need to get 1 quart of paint, any color that you like. You also need to get a plastic tarp to cover any surface you're gonna be working on, string, and a drill so you could drill holes through the top and bottom of the can. All right, guys, so once you're all ready to go, you're gonna grab your can of paint. You're gonna puncture a hole on top of the can as well at the bottom. And the size that you wanna drill is just gonna vary on how much paint you wanna use.